Come to you in front of me, HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to record sounds on this device. So first you should go into the here you should find, or in your apps menu or in your device home screen, you should click to the tools folder and find here the recorder application. Now just click here, and as can you see here on the left down corner we got the start button just to start record, and to make the sound recording just click here once on this button. And here as can you see we got just the stopwatch. We got here the pause button, stop button. So by click here on this pause you can then resume again your sound recorder, or by this way, or if, when you will just here click to the stop, just you should save the recording, or also you can delete this recording. For example, we can give a name, the new name, records, and then click just here to save. And here by click on this section you can find all your previously making recorders on your device. You can here click to plus to add the new recording, or also you can sort them by time or by by title. And if you want to just remove this recorder, you should the previously making recorders you should hold for a while, and you can share with someone. You can just unselect, you can rename, set as the ringtone, and you can just to delete. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.